Hey there, this quick video is to show you how to use your Zencard digital business card to generate leads. Now, first off, we provide this for you. We do it all for you. As soon as you sign up for an account, you will get your name.zencard.me set up for you. We will add your photo. We will connect your social media accounts. We'll create a QR code for you and put it at the bottom. You'll be able to use this in your email signatures. You'll be able to use this when you're out at an event or grabbing a cup of coffee. You will have your first and last name .zencard.me as your own personal hub to generate leads. And just to show you how easy this is, right? Let's connect. If they're on your page, they click on Facebook. And where do you think it takes them? Well, yes, it takes them to Facebook. Discover the EXP model. We have some of these EXP videos that are very popular and will nurture your audience. And then here's the main way, and I'm going to show you through this one here. So connect with me. They'll click connect with me. You can be at an event and just do it yourself. You just pull up your phone and then just type in their information. Just say, hey, what's your email and what's your phone? Let me send you my digital business card. So you do that, and I'm going to put in a test here. Boom, submit. Cool. Thanks for connecting. Check your email for my contact information. Now what's going to happen is you, the agent, you're going to get a text message notifying you saying, hey, you just got a lead that requested, you send them your contact information. So you will get that text. They will also get an email and a text message with your contact information. Okay. And then on the back end, what you'll see, and let me refresh this, excuse me. On the back end in Attractzen, when you're working your recruiting pipeline, which you can see right here, recruiting pipeline under opportunities, you'll be able to see under new lead. Oh, look at that. Bing. Actually, it just popped in while we were talking. So the lead will pop in. You'll get notified of the lead. Then you can go to your recruiting pipeline, click on their name, and make a call, send an SMS, send an email. You can see what was sent to them, right? Just, hey, great meeting with you. Check your email for my contact information. Everything is right here, and it's all done for you. And that's all you have to do to use it. So you just use your first and last name .zencard.me if you're a Pro Plus user or enterprise, and you take that, add it to your email signature, have it with you, save it, send it to other people, and you will start generating leads, and you'll have all the automation there for you. So use it and generate leads. All right, thanks.